Good morning, I'm Jesse with Hunt Performance. Today, I have to fix a backhoe because I broke the forks off. And we gotta feed our cows, and my mom's cows, and my grandpa's sheep. So it's kinda gotta be fixed. Like, now, let's get to it. Okay, no pretty welds, but it's on there. You know, we're able to feed cows. It should hold for a lot better than those other welds. I did get a lot better weld on there than was on there before, so it should stay on a lot better. It's Sunday. Thanks for watching Hunt Performance. If you guys want to, I have other channels. Links in the description. I have a vlog channel and I also have a Pew Pew channel. You guys want to check those out. But yeah, just got this fixed. It'll work for a while. It'll probably break again and I'll have to fix it again. But you know, in the off season, I'll put better mounts on there, so we won't have to worry about that, because I don't know who put those mounts on there, but they're awful. They're super thin. They should be a lot thicker. It should be a single really thick mount instead of two little thin mounts. They're just not working very well. But anyway, have a great day, guys. We'll see you next time.